Great. Vlog number 2. How do you decide on what platform you bring people together? Now, people have been bringing people together throughout the ages. In the past, we met in a cave around a fire. We've got churches. It was very face-to-face, obviously. And slowly we moved more and more and more towards fully online, where we have things like Facebook and Twitter and everything. In the past, we always did it in our programs, which was a face-to-face format as well. And that's how we've built our communities. So where we are now, it's very obvious that it has to be something online, partially because of COVID, but also because of the scaling element of it. And for another reason, because we want to create sub-communities within our bigger community, which is called sprints, or whatever we're going to call it by the time this comes out. But basically smaller groups coming together in a bigger format. But looking at the learning from the past, there's also something very human about any successful communication platform, right? Like Skype, Zoom, Facebook, the messenger functions, they're always the strongest, right? It's human talk. So we knew that if we're going to use an online platform, it can't just be a lecture platform or a live conversation platform. It has to be a platform where people can talk to each other. And for us, the proof of that was that all our WhatsApp groups, they're still going strong. So we knew that whatever platform we build, it has to be online. It has to have the opportunity to build sub-communities. And we knew that it had to have a WhatsApp function because people want to share a picture. People want to say happy birthday. So the mistakes we made in the past was sometimes that we used multiple platforms to bring people together. So we had Slack for this, WhatsApp for that, and then maybe an Excel sheet or a Google Doc for that, which means that people got dispersed. We didn't want that anymore. If there's one thing we've learned as well, it's that simplicity is key. Take those 2 or 3 things that it has to tick and leave out the rest. There's so many platforms out there, my God, that are completely Frankensteizing their whole platform. They're putting in so many features that you just get lost. So that's the main thing we learned. One platform to rule them all, and simplicity is key. What are the main things it has to do? And make sure that whatever platform you pick, it executes that well. So with this learning, for us, what's super exciting is that now we're going to build our own platform. We're going to have a web app and a mobile app, because if you don't have mobile today, you're going to get nowhere. But also a bigger community where you can run your Q&A, you can upload content, and obviously it has this WhatsApp-like function, right? For everyone to talk to each other, so they can exchange pictures, chat to each other, and obviously do the occasional give. So that's it. Next week, we're going to deep dive into what we're actually going to do on this platform. How are we going to engage people? See you there.